people to betray me.
I didn't go back to betray you, Wyatt. I went back to save you.
Safe?
From what? From whatever evil it was that turned you.
That's always been your problem, Chris. Stuck in the old good versus evil morals. It's all about power. It's as simple as that.
I beat their faces in. I murdered them. I'm admitting to murder.
And whoever has the most power wins. Is that it?
That's it.
It's the feast of the blood was sin. Unleash the beast within. I walk around with the strength of 100 men. You best to run before I count to 10. Blood dripping from my canine like a fountain pen. It seems I've been asleep for 1,000 years. The way my world has changed, it brings me 1,000 tears. Prince of darkness, they walks through the rays of light. To this beat of empire, I'm the prototype. The shape-shifting mirror image flash phototype. The everlasting division, the red blood-o-type.
He was born perfect, and just like the great white shark, this guy has never had to evolve.
Not immortal. I must have heard hundreds of you rodents make the same claim. Each one of them have tasted the end of my soul.
I strike back with a vengeance, the father of your descendants, and I can't be deflected by your silver cross pendants. Bloody holy water, you make the false images. Once weed from the sickle, your life diminishes.